I don't actually know about lead generation.
Do you know what lead generation means? I don't, I'm sorry.
I believe a lead would be something or someone that turns into either revenue or profit, money.
What is lead generation? We just asked a few people on the road and asked them, what is lead generation? A lot of people didn't know. They're like, I don't know. So we're gonna actually read the definition.
It's the action or process of identifying and cultivating potential customers for a business, product, or service.
So the simple definition of a lead to me, first you gotta have a product or a service, right? And so when looking for a lead, it's like, who can I talk to that could be a potential client or customer? That is a lead, right? It's nothing more complicated than that. I believe that it really requires the person on the other end to capture that lead's attention to then take it to the next step. And so a lot of times we're providing a lot of leads for business owners, coaches all over the world, and finding them within their specific target market. That is a lead. Now, whether they respond back right away, they may not, but now what are you gonna do to turn that lead, to cultivate them, to capture them, and to take them to the next step? An example is when we were living in Asia, just starting out our business, right? We had to connect with people all over the world, in the US maybe, in Europe, and Canada. So we actually had to go create a process where we would generate more leads, meaning they potentially could actually take it to the next level. And even if they do become a client of yours or a customer of yours, I don't think that stops them from being a lead, because now you have different products, different services that you can actually sell as you continue to cultivate that lead. You capture that attention, you make it quality, meaning if it's not that person that's gonna buy the product or the service you're offering, we'll make it quality by asking them, who do they know that would be interested in what I'm actually sharing with you. And so, do you need leads for your business? Maybe you're thinking about it. You want to know the importance of why you need leads. So,
Why in the world do you need leads, right? Lead generation. Why? Well, the real reason is it's because you need to be in the game, right? Think about basketball, football, baseball, any sport, right? There's a particular ball in place, there's a bat, there's something to run on, there's something to throw. Think of lead generation as actually being in the field, because now you're able to not only communicate, you're able to play, you're able to really engage with others and really put into place exactly what you need to score, right? So in order for you to be in the game, that's what lead generation is all about. It's for you to take your business to the next level. And in order to do that, you just need to play.
if you're not consistently bringing in leads within your business is going to fail. And that's why you need leads consistently. So imagine this street right here of all these restaurants and boutiques, right? All these people walking, right? And they're taking a look inside through the windows to see if they're going to be attracted or their attention's going to be captured to go inside. Those are all leads, right? Imagine this street had nobody here. Do you think that the businesses or the restaurants would actually do any business? Would they be able to stay in business? Absolutely not. And so you have to picture yourself as you have, even if you're on Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn and you have a platform presence, well, you have to think about it as if you are a physical, actual place, right? That needs to bring in people in order to keep your business alive. Not only alive, but you've got to continue to have it expanding and growing, because you never know. In a different season, it might be a slower season. And so you got to make sure that you are working hard right now, going all in, not stopping, even if it looks amazing for you, right? Keep that pipeline full of leads. So before you focus on sales, what comes before that is leads, right? You need people through the door. You need traffic to your sites. You need get on more leads, getting on more calls, and that's when you can convert higher on the sales. And so We are excited for you to generate more leads, to understand the importance of you investing in whatever it may be to get continuous amount of leads coming in on calls, to your website, to your landing pages, so you can continue to grow and expand your business.
Yeah. And if you think it's going to be easy, think again, because whatever is easy will leave fast. So make sure to get the knowledge, get the tools, get the structure, get the system, so you can actually continuously have an income, have a flow, have a continuously abundant bowl of amazing fruit, so you can actually grow your business the way you envision, and not only that, take it to the next level. Every single year, every single month, every single day, every single hour.
Yeah, so like, subscribe, not sure where it is, but make sure you like the video. Let us know what you got out of it. Let us know any feedback. Yeah, we're definitely excited to continue to provide you more information, so subscribe.